So hey guys, in this episode we will actually be going on to Replit, and that's an actual coding source, and it's a website that you can use. It's repl.it, and you can code any language on there, and of course we're doing C. And so how this works is you code something here, and then when you press run, it gives you the outputs, or run or play, whatever it is. It gives you the answer you want. So this is Replit. If you search it up, this is what immediately comes up. So you can search for C here. You don't have to log in or anything or have any account. C here. Here, let me just reload this. Oh, I'm already signed in here, so I'm just going to add something here, and if I want C or C++, or C, and I'm going to go to all languages because I want C. Alright, this is what's going to come up. This is the main function. So if you're to put anything outside of the main function, then you have to make a function for it to be in. I'll explain more about this in another episode. But basically, everything you put has to be in a function. This function right here, this right here is called the main function. So you can create a function here called, I don't know, calculator. That's a function. Calculator. I think I might have spelled calculator wrong. Alright, whatever. And then you do it here, just like you did here, and then you can write nothing in there because it's just a void. I mean, that's just how you do it. It's just how you show it. But that's not what we're learning today. Just wanted to show you guys how it works. So it's just easier to put everything in the main function for me. So last time we learned that int represents an integer or a decimal number. So we gotta do an example. Like, let's do x. Int x. Okay? So it knows that there's such a thing as int x. It's initialized, and the computer knows about it now. There's an x here. But if we want it to know what x equals to, we can give it a solution. But x is not always equal to 1, right? Let's say what's 1. X is not always equal to 1, right? It's just in this case right now, I'm asking x to represent 1 at the moment. Okay? And let's say we do another one. Int. And int is just for all decimals. You just have to put that in first to initialize the number so that the computer knows what it is. So let's do y is equal to 3. Okay? And now, if we wanted to add x and y, you could do this. Int z equals x plus y. So z is the thing that we're trying to get, right? 1 plus 3, x plus y. Z is what we wanted. And if you just run this, nothing comes out because you didn't ask it to print anything out onto the output page. So we're going to do printf. Oh my goodness. Printf. And this is the formatting of printf. So you put something in the parentheses, and then you put what it represents in here. So they're all integers, right? But we want z. We want z to print out. So we do %d. And the reason we do %d represents a decimal number or an integer or a number, which is z, right? So, and we do z here because we want it to print out z. This is just a placeholder for the number. And the reason we put it in the parentheses is so that we have a correct like formatting of everything. Like for example, you can write stuff in here like 1 plus 3 is equal to, and that it will have that shown on the printout page. Now let's see if it works. Oh, remember, you always have to put this at the end of every line. Sorry, I forgot about that. 1 plus 3, as we put it right here, equals 4. Correct. And there's another way of doing this as well. So you don't have to make a whole new variable. You can do printf z. Let's see if this works. I'm not even sure if this is going to work. Okay. Like this. And %d because the solution will be a number. Let's see if this works now. And then it's supposed to give us, this is supposed to be a placeholder for 1 plus 3, which is what? 4. Let's see if it works. Wow, it worked. Okay. Sorry, I was not sure if that was going to work, but it did.